Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, you need to download the Chrome browser using the following command. Once download is completed, you need to install Chrome by running the following command. Once the installation is finished, you can go into your desktop. There you will see the Google Chrome. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.